Hi, I'm doing a product review for a PLEMO cigarette lighter adapter and a USB car charger. 3 socket, 120 watt output, 2 USB port, 2.1 amp and 1.0 current. It comes with an extra fuse. So if you blow out something while plugging in, it has a safety adapter built in, so it just blow out the fuse, not the car battery or any damage to your car. I'm gonna be testing it on a Audi TT. As you can see, I already have it plugged in. There's a 5 volt 1 amp. Red indication that it's working and it's charging my GPS unit. $5 volt and a 2.1 amp for fast charging. I'm gonna plug in my iPhone, so any devices will generally work on this unit. You wouldn't have an issue. But pretty reasonable price for something well made compared to other products like Belkin and stuff like that. It's really overpriced. Let me hook it up and let you see how it works. I plugged it in on the 2.1 amp charging unit. You can hear the sound from my from my iPhone. It was charging. It's at 88%. See, it's jumping up quick. When I just plugged it in, it jumped up to 89%. So it's charging pretty quick. Pretty good to have if you're running out of battery or emergency and need something to charge. This is the product to go. I will post up the link where you can buy this unit on Amazon with the price and everything. Please comment below, subscribe. More product will be reviewed. Thanks for watching.